So what are the best penny stocks to buy on April 11th, 2024? Well, number one recommendation is Rally Bio Corporation. Stock symbol RLYB. It is up today 68% or $1.12, trading at $2.76. Since this morning, it already traded 59 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $100 million. So this is definitely a pharmaceutical company because it has a bio in its name for biological, and as I told you before, 30% of penny stocks trading under $5 are pharmaceutical companies trying to develop some medication. So this company used to trade at around $4.20 back in November of last year. Then it gradually collapsed to like $1, okay? And it was collapsing almost on no value. So basically, this is typical for penny stock pharmaceutical companies because they're in a phase of developing new medication, and this medication has to go through clinical trials. It needs to be confirmed that it works, and only when they receive this confirmation and this positive news about the effectiveness of the drug, that's when the stock usually takes off and spikes and breaks out of its resistance and starts growing. So I think this is the case for Rally Bio. So if I were you, I would check out the news, see what kind of drug they got positive reviews or positive results on, and possibly inject some cash into it. So Rally Bio Corporation, stock symbol RLYB, $2.73. Just to remind you again, I'm not feeling good, so I have to take, I think, antibiotics pretty soon because my hoarse voice is not going away. So it is possible that I might skip my next show. So if I were you, I would download my app called Penny Gems that has all the latest information about 2,000 penny stocks, and you will know which stocks to buy. The easiest way to get this app is go to this website called PNNY.app. Download this app and see what's hot right now. This is exactly the app I'm using for this show. It's so convenient. I don't have to use any hands. It basically tells me right away. So next one is Allium Therapeutics Inc. Stock symbol ELYM. It is up today 54% or $1.46, trading at $4.13. Since this morning, it already traded 35 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $100 million. So again, when you see the word therapeutics in the name of the company, that's clear indication it's penny stock pharmaceutical company. So same story as before. It was trading at around $2 for the last 6 months. And when I say traded, that's kind of lightly speaking. It was basically trading maybe a few hundred shares a day. Nobody was interested in the stock until they delivered some positive results by the medication they've been working on. So it looks like it happened today. So if I were you, I would check out what exactly they reported, what medication for which disease they delivered it. But when you have 35 million shares trading hands in the first 90 minutes of the market, kind of tells you that it's something serious, or it could be serious. It's up to you to find out. So the stock basically, went from like $2 and like 80 cents to $4.15. So we have a perfect combination of spike in volume and spike in stock price, which could be translated in something big that could grow at least for several days. So check it out, do your due diligence, and if it's good and promising for the future revenue of the company, future profits, put some money into it. Elym Therapeutics, ELYM, only $4.14 a share. Next one is Omnic Corp, stock symbol OMQS. It is up today 30% or 12 cents, trading only at 51 cents. Since this morning, it already traded 5 million shares. Market cap of the company is about $10 million. So the stock used to trade at around 72 cents, then it collapsed to 27 cents. Was not really trading for the last 6 months. So 5 million shares today, that's pretty huge for the stock. So apparently, again, some positive news are playing out. So if I were you, I would definitely check it out and see what exactly going on there. But if it's something serious, something that could, take this company out of its normal range and take it at least to $1, you could be looking at almost 100% gain. So if I were you, I would take a look. Omnic Corp, stock symbol OMQS, only 52 cents a share. Next one is Lexiang Education Holding, stock symbol LXEH. It is up today 34% or 13 cents, trading at 51 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 3 million shares. Market cap of the company is about $4 million. So, judging by the name Lexiang, it sounds like it's a Chinese educational company. So, just about a month ago, back on March 20th, the stock used to trade at around $6 a share. Then something happened and it collapsed pretty much in one day from $6 to like 50 cents. So, and the stock was trying to recover, but nothing was happening. It was basically constantly down, and only today something happened and it jumped 39%. So if I were you, I would check it out and see what's happening there. Just a story for you is that Chinese government forced a lot of the educational companies to become non-profit companies because Chinese people complain that education is too expensive, and that's why they're not having any children, because it becomes too pricey to educate them. So Chinese government, communist government said, look, we're going to fix the problem. We're going to force these educational companies to slash their prices and make it cheap. So maybe this is what's happening, but it looks like company was oversold. So take a look. Lexiang Education Holdings, LXEH, only 51